Hey, we got a 911 call, I guess you can say, from Aaron here today. What's going on, Aaron?
Well, we had a tree fall, Tim.
Yep. You're gonna pick it up and I'm gonna watch, right?
Yeah.
Let's get started. This was a big tree.
Oh yeah. And the center's all rotten.
Yeah.
Probably why it fell.
Okay, so what do we want to? We want to go back that way with it? Is that where we want to go?
Yeah, that way. You did make a bit of a hole there last fall with the
Yeah, looks like you've stacked some stuff in there already.
Yeah, what I could carry.
Okay. Hey, on this saw,
Uh-huh.
a little one is the best. A gas saw, you know, you know about the safety because if it's not running, it ain't gonna cut you, right? But this thing is ready to cut all the time.
Oh.
Okay. So I think it's really important on this saw to use the chain brake. Use this aggressively because
it'd be easy not to.
Because you don't even know it. You know,
yeah.
You're just sitting here and you could even bump the trigger. You could have it against your leg or something and bump the trigger. So yeah.
You talk awfully big about those little green tractors.
I know I talk big. We'll see if I can deliver. This is the second generation Precision Manufacturing Mini322. I call it the Big Mouth Grapple. 2 clamps to help with the uneven loads. I really like it so far.
Well, that didn't require much. I have a feeling there's not going to be much we even have to cut. Yeah.
Here's an example of one of those uneven loads. Well, in my case, it seems like nearly every load is uneven. The 2 clamps really help me get a better grip. I'm sure it looks like the rear end's a little light here, but with the fluid in the tires, wow, that really changed things. And then I've got the stump grinder way back there. Stump grinder's on because of a previous project that I had just finished when Aaron called. I decided to just leave the grinder on and use it for ballast. Save me a little effort. That video will be coming up pretty soon. We actually had 2 tractors and grinders there. I had the 1P24 Baumalight on the Kubota LX3310, so look forward to that one coming soon. I still don't have the 3rd function kit on the LX3310, so that's why you're not seeing it here with the Grapple.
I like that it picked up the wood and left the dirt. That's nice. I may just have to pick a piece of wood to cut just to play with the saw.
Ouch.
Oh.
Banged my head all the way over here.
Oh.
Ah. In a lot of this episode, you may notice the whining noise sounding quite loud on the 2038R. While the transmission does whine, like any hydrostatic transmission, it's sort of exaggerated in this case because the audio you're hearing is from my microphone attached to my shirt. Sometimes we include the audio from a boom microphone, which is on the camera. Today, that didn't work out so well because there's an interstate highway right behind us, and all you could hear was interstate traffic. Yeah, that's right. Audio is a continual challenge for us. It seems like there's always a distraction, always a noise that you don't want to hear, or maybe you miss something that you want to hear. Yeah, that wide load bouncing back and forth takes enough weight off the rear wheels to keep them from getting traction. As you could tell, it's really rough here where it had been moldboard plowed and I was hopping back and forth over those furrows. Not fun at all. Some of you are probably saying that I need to lower that stump grinder to lower my center of gravity. Well, maybe so, but I didn't want it sticking back any further than it had to, and I really didn't feel very tipsy. Even though it kind of looks like I'm losing traction and all, I never really felt like it was tipsy. In addition to the rim guard, I have wheel spacers, so this tractor feels pretty stable to me. This is a rewarding job to me. Picking up and moving this big old heavy brush. I don't know why it's so rewarding, but it really is. I guess because I know it would be an amazing amount of work, a lot of work by hand.
The little tree is no more.
Okay. Might as well get that big one right beside it. It's still sticking out in the field.
I think we can do that.
You guys that have seen Aaron on the program before probably already know this, but for those of you who are new, this property is farmed by the local antique tractor club. So we try to help them on anything we can. Just let it fall out this way. Sorry. Did you get these? Yeah.
This little saw just doesn't give up.
You want me to pull it back out?
Yeah.
I'll try. Try one more.
I think it's a personal challenge at this point. Well, I think if we just cut it there, you can take that little chunk off, and
the rest of it's fine, because I won't be able to move the rest of it if we don't cut it again.
No, it's a long way in there.
Okay. I can grab some of this crap and get it out of your way if you want. You think you've already cut it.
He's going to move that little stuff, and then we're just going to cut the tip of it off and throw the tip up in there. The rest of it is far enough in there, it'll never be a problem. There, now I can get in there. You know, for most jobs around the house and things, you know, where you're cutting 3, 4, 5 inch things.
Christy can get it. She doesn't like trying to start a gas saw.
Yeah,
right?
you don't. Your carburetor will never go bad in this.
Yep. Won't have to worry about getting the fuel out of it.
Yeah.
Punch your battery button. See how much battery you got left. 3 out of 4.
3 out of 4.
Yeah. So
it's very light. No, I like it. I was impressed.
Aaron, that didn't take long at all.
No, it didn't, Tim.
So make sure you call me when you got another project.
Oh, I will. It's always fun when you bring your toys.
Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as we did. We got a big tree moved in a short amount of time. I didn't have to do any work. I made Aaron do all the work.
It wasn't that hard.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim. He didn't say it with me.
Oh, sorry. I'm not sure, but I don't like it.